There's a bird in the house. It's caught between the blinds and the picture window. I've put the top down of all of our windows. There are no screens in. We're going to go with the first idea we came up with, which is I'm going to drop the blind, and then the bird will fly up, and Amy is going to set up a tablecloth so the bird is kind of pointed towards the window to get it out of the house. Wish me luck.
Come to the office. Except it's not a bat.
Oh, I should get my bat.
Why do you want a bat? Oh God.
A baseball bat. Okay. Should I go from the bottom up to the top?
I don't like this.
Love this idea.
Why do I have to do this? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh
You
God.
go slower, fast like a Band-Aid.
I don't want to do this. I changed my mind. Oh God. You're in the way though.
Okay, hold that up and I'll let it go.
No, stop it.
Ready?
No, I want you to do this. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Oh gosh. This is anticlimactic. What's happening?
It's right here.
I said, what do we do? No, 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 no. I don't want it. I don't want it.
I don't think we can go this way anyway. You hear it?
Yeah.
Okay. Grab the thing.
What do you mean grab that?
Grab the thing because you're closer.
I don't want to do it.
Do it.
I'm not doing it.
I'm just going to do it all by myself then. Where is it?
I don't know.
Right there. Pull the couch out.
I can't pull this whole couch.
Just pull it out. Yeah, you got it. There you go.
Now what?
Now just shoo it out.
You shoot it out.
Honey, you're not playing with it like a cat.
What? Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Look at that bird work. Didn't fly out.
No.
I don't see it in the window anymore. Is it under the couch?
I don't know.
Birds are gross.
This is really gross. Why is it in our house? Okay, it's out. It's out. It's out.
I thought it bit you or something. Did it go off a row?
Yeah, it went out this window. How did that happen?
I think it came down the fireplace.
It happened so fast. I thought Maggie like flung something at us because she started running.